am about to spend the next 28 hours, yes, 28 hours, competing in a non-stop Rubik's Cube competition.
Good morning. It's 6 a.m.
This is officially the longest lasting continuous Rubik's Cube competition ever. And I'm about to show you the highlights, low points, and funny parts of this competition.
I'm gonna get a 0.17.
That's crazy. Alright, so we are outside right now at the venue. 2x2 starting soon, and my friends are gonna be here. Let's start this 24-hour marathon with hour 1 right now. Alright, we're going up for 2x2 round 1. That was really good for me. No, it's like 5 because I'm counting at 6.
Kobe, 1.
So 2x2, I got a 2. And then
He cooked, but he kind of
I got a 2, but then I counted a 6 because I got a +2, so I'm kind of cooked.
This is my biggest competition yet, with over 230 competitors in this giant hotel venue.
Wait, what? Look, this
2x2.
2x2. I got 3 13s. I'm
Let's
so
go.
good at it.
That's crazy. Alright, so yeah, 2x2 still going on. We're practicing up.
I'm gonna bagel. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get a 0.17 solve.
That's crazy. Oh no! Alright, my friends are pretty good in 2x2. It's still going on right now, but we have to go submit our cubes for multi-blind. I'm gonna do a 2 cube, and then 3x3 right after that, and then multi after that. So yeah.
Okay, Noah.
Okay, we have multi-blind in a little bit.
Sad.
We're submitting our cubes right now. Yeah. Alright, we entered hour 2 of the competition. How's it going so far?
I'm not even tired, Rosie.
Okay, but
12 hours later.
we got so we have 3x3 next, and then multi-blind is after 3x3. So exciting. Also, I got a picture with Cameron from Speed Cube Shop. Starting 3x3 group 1.
And while my friends were watching, I was about to compete in 3x3.
It's sick.
Gene Kim.
Alright, so we did 3x3, or I did 3x3. I kind of sold. He's about to go up, and he's about to go up for 3x3. I kind of sold, but I got an 11, which is kind of good. Hopefully I make second round so I can do better. But next is multi-blind. Alright, we've entered hour 4 now. Holding up pretty well.
400.
That's crazy. How you feeling?
Shanky said no
Good.
PRs.
Yeah, we're going pretty well so far. We're gonna go do multi-line right now. Kind of scared.
16 hours later, I'm gonna be dead.
Graham Siggins is gonna be in the same round as us, so.
And if you don't know who that is, he's the world record holder of multiplier.
Yeah, he's the best multi-blind solver in the world. So
I'm gonna be
some crazy things could happen. Hopefully I get a success, and hopefully he gets like 17 out of 17.
You mean 16?
Okay, so multi-blind is about to start. We're waiting in the hallway next to the room. So his cubes got disqualified because the logos were like kind of still on them and they were like scratched. But yeah,
Shankar.
yeah.
That's not Shankar.
Alright, so now we're about to go out. It's gonna be really interesting. We're gonna be there for like an hour. Well, he is.
I'm gonna call it 6 out of 8. What are you calling it?
I'm gonna get a 1 out of 2. Alright, let's see what happens. Huge delay in multi-blind so far. We haven't even started competing, and it's been 45 minutes since I took the last video. So hopefully we start soon.
Is everyone here? Everyone who's not here, speak up.
As I started my attempt, I felt really nervous. I was trying to focus, but the nerves made it very hard to do that. So my memorization took quite a while, as you see in the video. Doing 2 cubes is actually a lot harder than you think, especially if you don't have much practice, because I did not practice before this. But yeah, so my memorization took about like 75% of the time. As I kept studying the 2 cubes, I was wondering in my head, did I get this right or did I mistrace? I was running out of time because I only had 20 minutes, so I decided I have to start soon. It was now or never. There was no turning back at this point, so I started to do my first cube. Since I already spent a lot of my attempt memorizing, I had to go quite fast, so I may have mistraced some things. As I finished the first cube, you can see in the video, I clearly messed up, and I think I knew that in my head, but I decided just to go on to the next cube and hope I got that one right. As I picked up my second cube, I realized that I couldn't remember what I memorized. So I decided to just take a few deep breaths and go on with what I could think I remember. I was solving much faster with this one, knowing that I had barely any time left. I had to try. And as I was nearing the end of my second cube, I feel a tap on my shoulder. I ran out of time. Neither of the cubes were solved when I took my blindfold off. I was devastated. I realized that I had to push on through this. I knew I would have another chance at a future competition maybe. So I decided to go on and leave the room.
I sold in multi-blind. I got 0 out of 2, and I went over the time limit. So at least I wasn't gonna get a success anyways, even if I didn't go over time limit. So it's okay. But next time I'll get a success hopefully. But that was one-handed, and what hour are we in? We're in hour 5 now. And it's starting to get a little bit dark outside. The sun's setting behind me. Yeah, so waiting for my friend to finish multi-blind. I don't know where everyone else is, but let's see if Graham Stevens will get world record. One-handed. It's Brendan Dunnigan over there. He was the clock NAR. He's really fast at everything. He's an all-rounder. That's like really good. I haven't practiced in like 4 months.
Dang.
That's like really good for right now. I haven't practiced in such a long time.
Did you forget your phone?
Those were the times I was expecting.
I've never seen.
And immediately after this, it was 3 blind. So 3 blind wasn't in the side room, it was actually in the main room, and it got super quiet. They had to close all the doors, everyone had to empty out pretty much. It was actually really crazy and intense. But I'm just gonna tell you right now and get this video going fast. I sold really hard. So on the first one I took as much time as possible because the cumulative was 12 minutes, and I sold. So my memo, I thought I had it correct, and I think it was an execution mistake, but I think I messed up my memo as well, but I don't really know. And then second solve, I just speed ran, and I just couldn't do it.
So I did multi-blind and regular blind, and I sold in both of them. Alright, so we are in hour 7 of the competition. We got 17 hours left. Yeah, so we're gonna have 5x5 right now. We just had a dinner break, and I'm in my room right now. Yeah, we're gonna go back down to the competition to compete in 5x5. I'm filming Graham Siggins here. He almost got multi-blind world record earlier today. Yeah, and this guy's competing over here. Well, he is gonna compete. In multi-blind, he didn't get a time either, so we all kind of sold in blind.
And please, beware what his square one assignment is. We have
We're 8.
Yeah, it's hour 8.
We got 3 times the amount left, so.
So we have 16 hours left.
No, we don't. The competition's more than 24 hours.
No, but for like us, because we're probably not gonna make it.
Ah, sure, wait.
Okay, so yeah, we are on hour 8. I'm about to go compete in 5x5. This guy just kind of cooked in 5x5.
Guys, I made 5x5 finals.
This is a solo.
Guys, I made 5x5 finals.
That's crazy. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go compete in 5x5. This competition has been so crazy so far.
Bunch of PRs, bro. Bunch of PRs.
Yeah, PRs are insane. What do you guys' overview of the comp so far?
Sigma.
Really good comp. Let's just see how the second rounds turn out.
Better than Noah.
Yeah, it's just like this is probably the best comp of our lives so far. So I'm having a 134s, and then I have a 149. Okay. I also have them. Alright, we are doing square one now. Let's see if I can get an average again, because that last time was like a really lucky average. Yes, you gave me good luck. Let's go. That's like one of my best rolls ever.
It's all good. I still got my Ron! Station 10!
Joseph, 8.
You got it!
I got it. Roy, 1.
Let's go! Oh my god, I ate it. It's hour 11, and I am doing 3x3 second round. The fatigue is starting to draw in, but I think I'll be fine for like another few hours, and then it's gonna really start to set in. But yeah, let's see how it goes. 3x3 round 2. Now, if you haven't realized yet, this round was my 12:01 3x3 PR average that I plus 2'd on 11.37 average. So yeah, here are the solves. You never know.
Michael, 7!
Whenever you're ready.
Michael, station 7.
I'm ready. Eight seconds.
Jason J, station 9.
Yeah, that was bad.
Station 9.
Daniel, station 2.
Is that good soul for you?
No, it's just that would have been it. That would have been like that would have made my 11 time accounting.
I don't even know what I'm going for. Because yours at 8's a little bit more fair. You gotta love the consistency. It's what I go for. Thank you.
I just got a PR average, but with the +2 in it.
Jamison 13.
Oh my god.
That's good. I'm gonna see if you think just like lost.
Okay, yeah. 8
Do you have
seconds.
Station 11?
I don't know. I can't find it. 332. I haven't gotten it.
Oh my god,
Chatty Cook.
this is so bad. Oh my god, dude.
Look at his average, bro. He has like 11 and a half average, bro.
Oh my god.
No,
That could have been like an 11 average right
stop
there.
yapping to yourself, okay? Sir, please stop yapping.
So yeah, there was my 12.01 3x3 PR average with the +2 out of 11.37 average. That was probably one of the worst parts of the competition, but I got over it and I'll hopefully beat it soon at a future competition.
It happened.
So this is just sad, bro. So okay, he just dropped his 2x2, but okay. So first solve I sell with a 13, and then next solve I get an 11, which is like kind of mid for me now. Then I get a 10 +2, so it became a 12.53, and that was counting. Then I go ahead and get another 10, so it was PR average with a +2. Then I get another 11, so it's gonna be like a 12 flat average, I think, with the counting +2 time. So I'm mad.
Guys, he's angry. Don't invite him to your house. He's gonna explode.
So next time in 3x3, I know I can get like an 11-second average, because if I didn't +2, that would have been like a low 11 average, right? Yeah. So I'm mad, but you know, it's okay.
Alright, so now it was time for some 6x6. So on this first solve, I guess I was just kind of not focusing on anything and just trying to be relieved. So I got an okay time, 3:10. Yeah, just pretty decent.
Your brother's a punk.
Eight.
Once I like sit down and get like
Alright, here we go on my second solve. So I'm going through the attempt, going pretty good. And then, as you notice here, it's about to come. The video just ends. So, my phone actually died. And, so, yeah, my phone just died during my attempt, and I couldn't record the rest of my solves until I could charge it again. So, yeah, let me show the times on screen.
Hour 12 of 24-hour cubing competition. It's Cube right now.
Now, I kind of wish I recorded this, so at 12 a.m. exactly, so, it was August 31st, the day of the competition, then it was 24 hours, it went to September 1st. So, at exactly 12 a.m., they made an announcement saying, welcome to September 24 or something. And they said, let's get ready to do our first cube solves of September 2024 or something like that. And then everyone started cheering, including us. And then the announcer said, I've never heard anyone be so happy about a Scube round before. So that just shows that Scube is kind of a bad event.
It's literally 12 a.m. I think it's good, but I don't even know.
We're gonna call it double.
Let's just get a double.
I don't know what +2s are on Scube.
Well, I guess we can call you.
It's fine.
This one too.
Fine.
Yeah, that's good.
2 in 1 go. Really? 2 in 1 go.
That was good. Alright, so we are so bored, so we're resorting to touching the ceiling.
Let's do it. Ready, go.
Wait. Alright, Kendrick, go.
Oh my god!
Wait, Spencer, go.
No, guys, no, I'm actually gonna get it. I'm actually gonna get it. I'm actually gonna get it.
Legs? Do the legs? Nice. Go through the legs. Watch out.
Also, it is Scube right now.
No, actually.
We've never. It's September of 2024 now. We're doing the. My phone is getting stolen by a shaky.
I am shaky. I'm not stealing it. What were you just doing?
No.
You guys ever been this excited for a Scube solve?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're running out of things to do.
Yeah, we are.
We're just resorting to. This is what we're resorting to. We're resorting to.
How much you want? Like one.
Just give me my money. Rating out of 10. We're gonna ask random people.
What? Alright. Good question for you. So we're filming a YouTube short. We were wondering if you could like give me my money.
Just give me my money.
Yeah.
That's like a.
I just judged him.
Why me out of everyone?
We chose a random person.
Just give me my money.
Hour 13 clock. Ready. Okay, we are in hour 14. It's still kind of loud outside. Yeah, it's hour 14. We got these
Currently 126.
Yeah. I just did clock. I sold, and then Pyramix is also going on right now. We're gonna watch some people. Brendan Dunnigan's here. He's like one of the best at clock, so we're gonna go watch him. I'm filming Brendan Dunnigan. He's the former NAR holder for clock. Oh! Wait.
One take.
Oh!
Wait, no.
That would have been North American record. DNF. Oh. Nice.
Kill it, station 10. Jacob, time.
Everybody back up! 200 extras. 200 extras.
Let's go, Brendan! Some two.
So two.
197 what I could single. Oh my god! You got it!
What the skibbity? She was our fans.
You got one.
They're chilling. Oh my god.
Let's go!
He got
Okay.
Yo! Road record at 2 in the morning! Oh my god! Somebody just got the Road record 2 in the morning! Oh my god!
Now everybody, back up, stay behind.
There's no way this just happened.
Road record at 2 in the morning!
What did he get to? Wait. What is Miss Scramble?
Is it a miscramble?
Wait, check. Wait, they need to check the scramble. Wait, check the scramble. This was my first world record, that wasn't Max's.
Okay, look. Get a good angle. Try and scoot a little.
Dude, Tommy Tracy pissed.
Tommy didn't even have the world record before this. It was Vladimir. Brandon, what? Any R? No R. That's R. Wait, that's R. That's R. No, I think it's R. No, he's counting 2.85.
It's not, right?
I think it's R.
2-1,
2.5, right? It's an R?
Oh, 2-7. Wait, 2-7.
Wait, is it not an R?
No.
No, they're calculating. No, it can't. No, he counted the 2.
Dude, that's crazy. 2 a.m.
Wait, is it R? Is it R?
It's an R.
Wait, is it R? What's your game? Come on. Please. Come on, please.
No.
Please.
If it's not like this on the outside, that means it's real.
Let's check it.
So that's good. Okay, so now it's
I think Brandon's in front of you.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Come on, please.
Brandon.
Oh, no. This is E1. Oh, wait, this is E1.
No.
Please. They're still checking.
Yeah, they said yeah.
Yes.
They're not.
Yes, they're hugging. Yes.
Wait, no. Is he sad or how?
No, they're hugging. He nodded. They're hugging. Wait, he's sad. I think he's good.
They probably did it. I think he did it.
I think it's count. I think it's whatever.
Yeah, I think it counts. Where's he?
I can't tell.
I think it's good.
You can zoom up on it.
He's hugging everybody. That means why would he be happy?
He probably made it. He probably goes to that
He just
block.
Are they gonna announce it?
Are we good?
I think we're good.
I think we're good.
It better be qualified.
It's good.
Where is he?
Wait, up next also round 1 group 2.
That's crazy. Wait, where'd Brendan? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
They haven't gone in on live yet.
Hey, go talk to Drake. Oh, no, Drake. Over there.
Oh, he said yeah.
I think it's it. Yeah. That's it. It's what I get. It's what I get single.
Wait, is it Nard?
No, it's not ours.
No. It's really close.
He missed
It's his PR average though. It's PR average though.
Yeah, it is NAR. There's a lot of Oh my god, this just happened. Oh, you want to try it?
Or I can find one to have to borrow. You sure? Are you sure? I know someone who's got an extra pair right now.
12 seconds.
You're sure? Okay. Alright, well then this song won't count.
write the time then plus 2.
9-4. Solomon.
It's 3 a.m. Wait, what hour is it? Hour 15? 16? Yeah, hour 15. This might be like the world's longest continuous cubing competition. It's going on for like 36 hours. So, yeah, we're gonna do 2x2. And so Megaminx we sold in. And Brendan getting clock world record is kind of crazy. No, watch him in like finals get the world record average. Yeah, so we gotta do 2x2 and 7x7. 2x2 at 3 a.m. Oh shoot.
Don't worry, it's 3 a.m.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Well, maybe to save my average, dude.
I definitely. All right, we're doing 7x7, and what hour is it? Like 17? Hour 17. 7x7.
It's a 19. What do you mean 10?
My 2x2 has freaking died on. Oh, dude, I made pyramids too.
We are still waiting for 7x7 because they had decided to not let us go, and there's like 4 judges, so.
We haven't even done our 2 though.
Yeah.
7x7 is supposed to be over.
I'm ready.
Did you see 9/11 happen?
Station 7.
Dang it, dude.
It's okay.
I don't know how I managed to do that well. That's like my 3rd best solo ever.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah. Alright guys, it's 5 a.m. What is it, hour 18 we're in now? Or 19? I don't even know anymore, but...
7.
No, not 17.
Oh no, sorry, 18.
Okay, who cares, but it's 5 a.m. and we just did 7x7. I missed cutoff by 4 seconds.
I
He had a pop.
Yeah.
And then you had 9 minutes.
7x7, that was not
So
good.
now we have 4x4, and
I'm sad.
I should be competing in Megaminx right now, but they're running so behind schedule.
Wait, Megaminx? When's that?
So let me really quick explain to you why this is so important. So this is my 7th time competing in Megaminx, and usually I do pretty good, and I get like an overall PB or something. But my PB has been stuck at 231 for the longest time, and I beat it at home a few times, but never been able to get that sub 230 in comp. Also, I've never made cutoff in comp to do an average. So if I made it this time, that would have been epic. But it was also coming up on 6 a.m. after being awake for like 24 hours almost. So let's see if it happens.
Let's go, bro.
Finally, I can do an average. It's been a year and a half. since I've done my first Megaminx attempt, and I haven't done an average before.
Holy dude, this is awesome. Alright, kick back and relax. You got the rest
Thank
of the
you.
action.
Thanks. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. What is it, like hour 20 of the competition? I'm waiting in Megaminx right now because they're taking a very long time to score on my cube, and I'm gonna have to sprint to 4x4 because I'm in the 6th group and it's group 5 right now. So yeah, pretty tiring so far. But I think I've handled it well. I haven't slept like at all. So yeah. Finally going for 404 after a long Megaminx round, but finally got an average.
I didn't know you were doing this joke.
That could have been so much better if I didn't get parity.
Yeah, parody sucks.
Parity is a bad song anyways. Double parity screwed me over. Alright, one-handed. I don't practice one-handed. Alright, we are at hour 22 or 23. It's 4x4 at 9 or like late 8 a.m. so holding up pretty well.
Kevin. Station 10.
I got the cue.
So 1 minute.
That's crazy. That's so bad though.
Sorry.
Oh, parody. Good because I got so many parodies.
How many?
I think I got every solve OLO parody. At this point, I had been awake for over 25 hours. It was hour 23 of the competition, and we could see fatigue all around the room. People were just sitting down. It was getting a lot quieter, but then something sparked a lot of enjoyment in the venue. Alright, you just want a giveaway?
Not a raffle.
Chat, he just
raffle?
won. Chat, he
We're
just won a raffle.
judging one round.
Yeah,
go.
he judged one time. He won.
It's Megaminx.
You got a Megaminx?
Unboxing.
Sticker double.
Oh, that's.
Look at this amazing Megaminx.
Is that a good price?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's kind of eh.
Wait, can I
Oh,
try
it's
it?
made in China.
Yeah, hold this.
It's okay.
Still here.
It's very mid, I'll say
Yeah, I'm
that.
recording. Oh, wait. Let me show.
Yeah, it's a little bit mid.
Let me try. Hold on.
I'd rather get like another one of the prizes.
It's okay. If you win, it's fun.
Alright, for the tornado.
I scrambled it.
48203.
I can solve if you want.
Alright, 3x3, round 3. Also, it's like hour 26, 25, I think. So, yeah, it's like 9 or 10 a.m. I'm ready.
Zach, station 8.
Oh, okay.
Nice job.
Thanks. That's second sub 10.
That's all.
Station 8. Abraham, station 9. Brendan, 10, 9.
Roy, station 3.
Lucas, station 12.
Ready. Oh.
No, you do not get a 0 seconds.
Alright, just put it back in the thing.
All right. Well, what do I write?
You don't write anything, you just put it back in.
Okay.
Yeah. And then put your hand in, yeah. Guys, I got a world record. I got a world record. 0.31. And while everyone folded through back there, it was time for hour 26. At this point, I'd been up for nearly 30 hours, and I was tired. I couldn't even get myself to speak to the camera, so that's why I'm making all these voiceovers and stuff. But yeah, let's do Pyramix now. Almost PR average in the right there, but now it's time for Pyramix.
Ryan!
So, 1 second.
Station 3.
So yeah, me being tired really kicked in. I couldn't speak to the camera at all. I was just too knocked out. Yeah, so I couldn't even tell you guys that it was my final event of the day, Cube. Which honestly I was thinking about skipping, but I was just like, you know, I might as well do it because it's my last competition of the day. I'm not gonna make any more second rounds or finals. So yeah, here's me doing Cube and not talking to you guys anymore.
Whenever you're ready.
And here it is, my final solve of La La Land 2024.
8 seconds.
That's also good. That's good.
So close to sub 10.
So sadly, I forgot to record an outro to this video. So, I guess I'm just doing a voiceover for it. So, yeah, La La Land 2024. I stayed up for 31 hours, I believe, and competed for a total of 27 and a half hours, like 28 hours. So, if you made it to the end of the video, comment below the phrase, bagels are round. Also, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who, has made it this far in the video, and clearly you wanted to watch the whole thing, so please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps out a lot. And thank you for everyone, my friends, my family, and all the viewers right now and subscribers who supported my channel since the very beginning. And yeah, you viewing this part right now is even just support because clearly you like the video. So this competition was quite the 2 days for me. I'm so happy and grateful for everyone that was there, my friends and family who helped me get through it, all the fun times and the crazy moments that were there, and just being able to compete like this with everyone in the WCA and just having a great time with everyone, my friends especially, like Avisar, who I mentioned a few times. It's just crazy. Thank you everyone, and yeah, I plan to have a lot more in 2025. This was my biggest video yet, but 2025 is going to have more in store, especially with the World Championships. And, yeah, that's it. So, see you guys in 2025. Happy New Year.